You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases. The name of the software by Samsung Assistant and how to wake it up. The name of the software is Bixby. If you want to wake it up on your phone, you can say simply pronunciation, how to pronounce. Hi Bixby. Is it waking up yet? Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.